I've simply got to. I'm not gonna hold back. It's called Laid Bare, everybody. Get ready.
Absolutely fabulous.
Great to have him back on stage.
Amazing.
Nice to have John back on stage where he belongs and where he's going to stay.
John definitely laid everything bare.
Truth is, I was crying laughing.
Stage 1, denial. Stage 2, bargaining, anger, depression. Stage 5, acceptance. Oh! What I am. I don't want praise, I don't want pity. I bang my own drum. Some think it's noise, I think it's pretty.